How to install the PC software. Contact the after-sales staff email or phone to get the link of the computer installation package. Download using Google Chrome. Unzip the file, try not to put it on the C drive. How to log in the software. Find the red logo icon DAQIN pad.exe, right-click and send to the desktop shortcut. Return to the main interface of the desktop to open DAQIN pad. If there is no account password for the first login, please contact the after-sales service to provide the account name and password email to register a new account. Note that please do not register an account by yourself. How to download update data. Opening the software for the first time does not have any mobile phone model data. Please click the two arrow icons in the upper left corner to update and then click Update. Wait for a few minutes until Red Finished appears in the lower left corner of the update window. Click to close. How to set up the software. Open the blue icon in the upper right corner of the software to set param. Change work area to X 360, Y 250. Find the port ID COM5 and click Auto Search. It will automatically change to other ports. Material power selection. If using TPU material for cutting, select 8H4Pi and change cut power to 18. If you use nano or silicon material to cut, choose 8H, cut power is 20 to 25. Do not change other parameters. The setting is complete. Save and close. How to search for a model in simple mode. Let's say we want to search for iPhone 14 Pro Max. On the left side of the main interface is a data list. Select Phone, brand Apple. Enter 14. Note the file name on the lower left. Inside are different data designs. A case-friendly is half-wrapped interior membrane. A is the front membrane all-inclusive. A2 is the side of the front membrane bag. B1 is a half bag with back stickers without wrapping. B2 is a back sticker with a full edge. B2 logo is the all-inclusive sideband logo on the back. Use flexible grade film or anti-peeping film, etc., which are relatively hard and cannot be attached to the curved screen of the mobile phone. It is recommended to choose A case-friendly. Please use TPU soft material to attach the curved screen of the mobile phone. It is recommended to choose A. Use color back sticker material. It is recommended to choose B1, B2. How to position A data in simple mode and send it to the machine for cutting. Inside the pattern, hold down the left mouse button and drag to move. The moving position cannot exceed the black dotted line box. The position where the mouse is dragged is equal to the position where the laser head moves. Click the icon Rotate. The data will be rotated 90 degrees. Default option 8H. Click Working. The machine will start moving and cutting. How to search for phone models using Advanced mode. Click Advanced in Simple mode. The software will automatically switch to Advanced mode. On the left is the data list, the same as the Simple mode. Select the data type, phone, tablet, headset, watch, camera, other. Select the corresponding brand, Apple, Huawei, Samsung, etc. Enter numbers, click Find. If you don't find the model you want, please click Update to download the update. How to put multiple data in using advanced mode. Select the model. Box select all data. Set the laser power in the upper right corner. Generally, the default is 20. If the power is too small or too large, it can be increased or decreased. Do not change other settings. Let's see how to position. In the test machine, left, right, up, down is to control the positioning and moving direction of the laser head. Click left and the laser head will move to the left. Observe the position of the laser head of the machine. Generally, for multiple data cutting, it is recommended that the laser head be positioned at the upper left corner so as not to run out of the material. After setting, click Export and the machine will start cutting. How to engrave gold material using advanced mode. Open File. Click this icon to unlock the picture. Adjust the size of the engraved picture. Then select Mobile Data. Move the phone data to the bottom of the picture. Then click on the picture. Choose any color below, for example green. A new green layer appears on the right. Export type, select Scan. The speed is set to 400, and the power remains unchanged. The black layer is the data model, and the settings are unchanged. Select the data and pictures in a box, and X appears in the middle. After locating a suitable cutting position, click Export. How to use advanced mode to add your own data cutting. Open File. Import DXF 2007 cutting file format. Data appears. After setting the power and positioning, click Export. The video has ended. Thank you for watching. If you have other questions, please contact Yana or Sun after sales.